Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error. The unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled for Adobe Premium Pro we are using. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our Adobe Premium Pro. So click on it. Now opening. This unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled, and then you see Adobe Premiere Pro close auto. So we are going to fix it. So first we are going to end task this process. Now press Ctrl Alt Delete. Now open Task Manager. Now you see Adobe Genuine Software Client. So we are going to end task. So click on it. Now you see close. You don't see Adobe Genuine Software Client process. All close. Now you see type here to search. So click on it. Then write here Window Defender Firewall. Now you see Window Defender Firewall. So open it. And then you see Advanced Settings. So click on it. Now you see inbound rules and outbound rules. So we are going to create rule. So first we are going to create inbound rules. Now select. And then you see new rules. So click on it. Now you see rule type program. We select and then click on next. Now you see all program. So you can select this program path. So you can add your path. So there is the easiest way to find path. Go to desktop and then click on your icon, Adobe Premiere Pro icon, right click. So this is Adobe Premiere Pro. Now you see location, right click on it and then click on properties. Now you see target. So copy this path. Now you see location. So you can copy this. Now back to Window Defender Firewall. Now paste here. So we added path. So this is easiest way to add path. So right click on your icon and then go to properties. So we added Adobe Premiere Pro path and then click on next. Now select block the connection. So we are going to create two rules. One rule for inbound and one rule for outbound. And then click on next. Now enable this option domain, private, public. Again click on next. So you can add name Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can add name according to requirement. So we added and then click on finish. So we created one rule in inbound. Now you see Adobe Premiere. Now go to outbound rules. So follow same step. Click on new rule, program, next, path. Now paste and then click on next again. Block the connection, next. Enable this option, next. So you can add name Adobe and then click on finish. So we created two rules, inbound rules, outbound rules for Adobe Premiere Pro. Now open it again. Now you see Adobe Premiere Pro working fine. So in this way you can fix this issue. Now you don't see any error. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.